I'm here at the Rose Bowl, and I've just photographed a Royal typewriter, and it sells. How much does that one sell for?
It has a price tag on it, I think.
Somewhere in the most obscure place, it has a price tag on here. Let's say in rough amount of money. Okay, it's $35. And I assume it's in excellent condition. It seems to work well. It's been cleaned and oiled. So is this about 1952, 53 or so?
You could probably talk to her. She'd know a little bit more about it. It's her stuff.
Oh, okay. Thank you. So, how old is that Royal typewriter?
I'm not sure to tell you.
Well, it's in excellent shape. Looks like it's been cleaned and oiled and operates real well. See, it sells for only $35. I just paid $100 for kind of a piece of junk. I mean, it's a brand new one, but this is easier to operate.
Yeah, I mean,